Respected Principal Ma'am, beloved teachers, and my dear friends, a very good morning to one and all present here. I am Aysha Mohammed, a student of grade 4A. Today is an auspicious day where we get a chance to acknowledge the hard work of teachers who mold their students into future leaders. Every year on September 5th, we celebrate Teachers' Day, which marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the second president of independent India, who himself was a teacher, philosopher, and an educationist. Teachers are the pillars of a country. They guide and shape the destiny of the students. They teach them to become better human beings. They are the reason behind the successful career of a student. I take privilege in wishing all our mentors in the school and across the country a very happy Teachers' Day. They are the guiding lights that brightens our lives. Teaching is actually a way of life and not just a profession. We are fortunate to have been blessed with such wonderful teachers who are always up for grooming their students into the finest individuals. We pray for their well-being and success and shower immense respect today and always. Thank you.